ge kwendish nikas megase ondodem. Anishinaabemowin Alma-Jean Migwans. Mampin don't want chigin. After Zakton geni mampin down. Gitchen and dad can I go. There's a machish kang geni in Wishanda, Anishinaabemowin. You know, Mampi geni in the kini. Gima radio is the cardic. Pegangis when I got Bizarshanda. You know, now, quite strong when Anishinaabemowin Panesani. We know the mod, you know, Chigin and Oke. No chige go not but that winan. Mage Ansokan and Anan Tenon. You know, go now, me know the Batana, Nango na Eswebok. Nango na Eswebok, we know the mod, you know, income guxanum, Chigin. Panego genin benaki taran manda Anishinaabemowin so in Upton Zakton. As mommy quenda was it on Anishinabe, as mommy quenda goke the Nenamoin, as mommy quenda goke as a musse. So to me, I absolutely treasure and am honored for the way the Native people conduct themselves on a daily basis. The way we think, the way we believe, the things we value, those are very important. This morning we are at an elders meeting and our discussion today is about water. Gegetsana nagenda got gonda ke no eschigiot eshonya kadmodgego. And it's for all economic reasons why we're losing our waters. Minoge gejebni addiction the sun one nagok mage mandana nuclear race na kadek mage mampina mzigwa bchiging sprays against kade non and mi mampina hydrolines mittegen giget na mam kat kamik kens go und da travna shakke eswe bakka pc web na morte Kinum gutamanda machish kabut sanam chemicals mage poison emanadak Gmewan nina gmewan mishi manwachi arab bodek kinasani manadak gma piches gun nebgum skam kato da chigibik uskoge or kinamina kinum na the besh gung mandam nebe kinum gutashanda etexandam nedom nissing. So that waterways, you know, when the rains come down, it picks up all these toxins and chemicals. And of course they flow. And they flow in the creeks and the rivers and down to our waters, down to the bays, down to the lakes, down to our Great Lakes. So it is very important. It's an absolute recourse that we stop this, that we stop doing that, and I want water for my grandchildren. I'm very lucky right now. I'm very thankful I can get a drink of water today. What about the generations coming? You know, and I think about all those people and in Europe as well, you know, all those children that are getting poisoned. Nerve gases. And that's what happened to our own brothers and sisters in the States. Standing up for water, not allowing, trying to put a fight against the pipelines coming in through their territory. And it's really heartbreaking. That Gima down there in the stateside just is going ahead with it anyway. He doesn't think about anything good. All he thinks is money. Shonya nandam gotgumago de yatna. Chigima. Kegets na vegishni. Tugun nishkik endo dang abdektish wina met toing was enagazat. Abdek we minaing in the mewin. We not a mago to gay. Nibi mak manang goling no basic no mispa. No mis. Kada meto what go go endishit get kikira. I've had many grandmothers in my travel in my lifetime, and they've always given me something to think about, something to understand, something to seek out. After school get chinendam geni mampi pane Ojibwe Cultural Foundation bishara eshkamach dam gapwa maba merlu foxba after gungi Ngikchido dark one that we could session that we bisham. You know, the late Merlu Fox used to invite me to come here. And I was a teenager then. And she says, come and help. You maybe could set tables or help with the elders coming in and out. So that's where I started to listen to these elders. Oh, lots of things I didn't understand what they were saying. And the opening prayers of gatherings, there was always a prayer for that big ice in the north. And I wondered, why? Why do we pray for that? Isn't there Inuit people over there that can take care of that part? But now I know now I understand today that they knew of this climate change happening. And they must have knew that was happening. And so they're always praying for that water, and they're always praying for that ice. They always pray to the thunder beings that bring forth that water. And I'm so grateful that I had the chance to listen to those prayers being said. And those are my prayers today too. Those are my prayers today. Migeni nango eschia, no quite stone. Ni wigno nama nebe. No non darmanda nebe. We under matsim book. Minama babesh chigin jabakezi, akino mwepa. When me mawa de bekigis spoke misna. Ebsagiet every 28 days. Mi mawa ebeshache. We nangash kamwe wisten nebe. Chisakshen bishtek ha in the floors of water. The Grandmother Moon brings her energies to the waters all over the world, and she causes turbulations in the floors of the waters, the oceans, the lakes, the rivers, the creeks, and she makes that water anew again so we can survive another 28 days. Nimandam bish anje matsim gakmino. It gets re-energized, and the oxygen or whatever that has to happen for that water to be good happens when Grandmother Moon sends down her love to us through that energy that she sends. Anishinaabe Elder kenda noa kinege go miksek. You know, our ancestors knew of the connection to everything that we have. They knew all the sciences of the universe and the 7 wonders of the universe, and now we are trying real hard to pull that together again. We're trying to figure that out, and there are people out there that have learned it or have information on it. Mandasan chimatso in ayamang. Abjagok chitawan mande mampi miyain. And I'm very grateful to be on Mother Earth at this time. I've seen so many changes. I've seen lots of things happen, and I had a great grandmother. I had a great grandmother that shared with me one time. I was about 5-6 years old. Ngiwin maksa manda ndemay manda man datanak ko kinigay ko to shibiga de ngiksa. Kena boy mata shibiga sa ngikira. Ken na boy be matsat ko ishe de shibiga sa kira. Kuma pitch de spokida ni so sad ko da wande Tanakwam gut manderson nik esbigade mampiaja be matsa jekirasa. Gudengsko mi gudjigish chigade godena zinagat kida. Eneksangi mam kasto Anishinaabemowin batang denendam dash. So when my grandmother told me about this little wee thing, says everybody's names will be written on there, everybody that lives, even the ones that didn't make it, and that'll be all over the world. And she told me that it'll be written down like a piece of paper, and it's going to be 7 miles long to include every person that has come to Mother Earth, and then it's going to stop, she said. So I am wondering if we're on that final mile, and it scares me. It does scare me. I think about my children, my grandchildren, my great-grandchildren coming, and I'm a grandmother of 2 great-granddaughters right now. And please, let's take care of our water. Please, let's take care of Mother Earth and walk together and love each other. Because Agad me pane. Nahaw, Migwans.